Imagine this. You film a 30-second clip on your phone, something funny, a quick tip, or a clever life hack. That tiny clip, uploaded to YouTube Shorts, could reach 1 million views in a week and start generating real cash every month while you sleep. YouTube Shorts has exploded, giving creators a massive opportunity to reach millions fast, even without a huge following. The key is knowing how to create shorts that capture attention, go viral, and turn views into revenue. How could one 30-second video change your income forever? Let's unpack it. Why YouTube Shorts is a game changer. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos under 60 seconds. They are YouTube's answer to TikTok and Instagram Reels, but with a built-in monetization system. Shorts matter because the algorithm promotes them aggressively even for new channels. The production barrier is low. Your phone and creativity are enough. Shorts can feed your main channel by directing viewers to longer content. And most importantly, they can generate real revenue through ad views, the Shorts Fund, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Over 30 billion shorts are viewed daily worldwide, meaning there's an audience actively waiting for your content. Finding the right idea. Every successful short begins with a clear and compelling idea. You need to ask yourself, can I convey this in 15 to 60 seconds? Will it make someone laugh, learn something, or feel inspired? Is it relatable to a large audience? Popular categories include quick tutorials, life hacks, funny moments, before and after transformations, and motivational micro-content. A practical tip is to research Google Trends, YouTube Trending, and Shorts Analytics to find trending topics that resonate with audiences. Testing and observation are key. Hook in the first 3 seconds. The first 3 seconds of a short are critical. Viewers decide instantly whether to continue watching or swipe away. Effective hooks can be a provocative question, a shocking visual, or a curiosity-driven statement. Examples include, "Did you know you've been peeling bananas wrong your whole life?" Or, "This one trick could save you $1,000 a year." Without a strong hook, even the best content won't reach its potential audience. The algorithm prioritizes watch time, and if viewers drop off early, your video loses traction. Keep it simple and snappy. Shorts thrive on clarity, speed, and action. Speak clearly, avoid filler words, and use fast cuts, text overlays, and captions to maintain engagement. Music and sound effects enhance attention and retention. Vertical format, 9:16, is mandatory, and filling the frame creatively ensures the viewer's eye stays on your content. The simpler and more digestible your short, the higher the chances it will go viral. Posting strategy. Consistency beats perfection. Start with at least one short per day, test different topics, and track engagement to see what resonates. Posting when your audience is most active increases the chance of virality. Even small spikes in views can trigger YouTube's recommendation engine, amplifying reach exponentially. Frequent posting not only grows your shorts audience, but also drives traffic to your main channel, creating a self-reinforcing growth cycle. Monetizing your shorts. There are several ways to earn money from shorts. First, the YouTube Shorts Fund pays creators monthly if their videos perform well, with payouts ranging from $100 to $10,000 per month. Second, ad revenue is now integrated into shorts through the YouTube Partner Program, meaning high-view shorts contribute to overall earnings. Third, affiliate marketing can supplement income. Promote a product or service in a short, link it in the description, and earn commissions from sales. Finally, sponsorships become possible even for smaller channels if your shorts achieve high engagement metrics. Repurposing content. Don't make a short once and forget it. Repurpose content across platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook Shorts. Minor adjustments, text overlays, timing, or audio allow the same content to reach new audiences and maximize monetization opportunities. Repurposing also reinforces your brand and expands your presence, increasing the chance that at least one platform will generate significant revenue. Analytics and iteration. Analytics are essential for growth. Pay attention to which shorts achieve the highest watch time, retention rate, and engagement. Double down on successful formats and topics, while discarding content that doesn't resonate. YouTube provides detailed metrics for each short, including audience retention graphs, traffic sources, and demographics. Learning from this data allows you to refine your approach continuously, improving both reach and revenue potential. Scaling up. Once you identify what works, scale your production. Batch film 10 to 20 shorts in a single day to maintain consistency. Schedule uploads to maintain regularity and reduce stress. Volume is important, but quality still matters. Your shorts must retain viewers to trigger the algorithm. Scaling effectively can turn a hobby into a sustainable source of income, creating a compounding effect on views, subscribers, and monetization. Avoiding common mistakes. Many creators fail by assuming shorts are easy money. Views alone don't guarantee revenue. Engagement and retention matter far more. Ignoring titles and captions limits discoverability, and blindly copying trends without originality reduces audience loyalty. Authenticity is key. Your shorts should represent your voice and style, even while capitalizing on popular ideas. Avoid these pitfalls, and your channel will have a higher chance of long-term success. The psychology of short success. YouTube rewards attention, not effort. The first 3 seconds, the last 3 seconds, and overall retention are critical. Every aspect of your short, visuals, text, pacing, is a micro-test for engagement. Your brain craves dopamine, but the algorithm rewards patience and strategy. Understanding this disconnect is crucial. Create content designed to maintain attention, even if it feels less exciting to produce than flashy trends. Long-term cash strategy. Shorts alone may not replace full-time income immediately, but they can complement other revenue streams. Combining shorts with affiliate marketing, email lists, online courses, or sponsored collaborations allows virality to translate into predictable income. By strategically linking your shorts to additional products or services, each viral video contributes not just views, but tangible cash. Real-world examples. Creators like MrBeast, Troom, and Zoc King have exploded using shorts. Even micro-creators with 10,000 to 50,000 subscribers are making $1,000, $5,000 per month through shorts revenue and affiliate links. The principle is simple. Volume, engagement, and smart monetization compound over time, turning small, consistent efforts into substantial income. Final tips for success. Focus on one niche first to establish authority. Hook viewers immediately. Edit for clarity, speed, and retention. Experiment, measure results, and iterate quickly. Automate uploads once you identify a winning formula. Treat shorts like a system. Consistent input produces compounding output over time. Remember, patience and discipline are more powerful than chasing one viral video. One viral short won't make you rich, but a consistent strategy of optimized, engaging shorts can turn casual views into real cash. Start small, post daily, analyze your results, scale once you know what works. Define your goal, automate your uploads, resist chasing random trends, and watch your income grow. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Pick up your phone, film your first short today, and start building your YouTube income. With patience, strategy, and consistency, shorts can become a true pathway to financial freedom. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe for more actionable strategies to turn content into cash.